SimplyBook.me Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our SimplyBook.me review. Links to the platform and related resources are provided in the description below. Let's dive right into the features, usability, and who this platform is best suited for. SimplyBook.me is a versatile online booking system designed for service-based businesses, ranging from beauty salons and gyms to consultants, healthcare providers, and beyond. It provides a comprehensive solution for managing appointments, handling client communication, and streamlining operations. One of its key features is the customizable booking website. This allows businesses to create a professional online presence where clients can book services, view pricing, and access essential details, all without needing additional web development skills. For those with existing websites, SimplyBook.me integrates seamlessly, so you can add booking functionality directly to your site. The platform also excels in automated client communication. It sends email and SMS notifications for booking confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups, reducing no-shows and ensuring smooth operations. Advanced features like recurring bookings and group scheduling make it particularly useful for businesses with diverse service offerings. Payment integration is another standout aspect. SimplyBook.me supports multiple payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and others, allowing businesses to accept payments up front or at the time of booking. For subscription-based services or memberships, it offers recurring payment options. For businesses with physical locations, SimplyBook.me offers a point-of-sale (POS) system to manage in-person transactions. Additionally, it integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Zapier, and social media platforms, ensuring your scheduling syncs seamlessly with your workflow. Privacy and security are prioritized with GDPR compliance, secure hosting, and data encryption. The platform also allows for robust customization, including branding options, custom fields, and service-specific settings. While the free version offers basic functionality, premium plans unlock advanced features like marketing tools, custom domains, and detailed analytics, perfect for scaling businesses. In summary, SimplyBook.me is an all-in-one booking platform ideal for businesses seeking to enhance client experiences, improve efficiency, and boost their online presence. If you're serious about simplifying your appointment management, SimplyBook.me is worth exploring. Check the description for links to get started.